Need to program a new or existing key fob for your 2016-2020 Buick Envision? You can do it yourself without a trip to the dealership. This video will guide you through the process. First, ensure all doors are closed and you're sitting in the driver's seat with your key. Turn the ignition to the on position, engine off, and back to off 3 times rapidly within 5 seconds, ending in the on position. You might hear a chime signaling programming mode. Within 10 seconds, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously until you hear another chime, confirming the pairing. Repeat this for any additional fobs you want to program. Finally, turn the ignition off and test each fob to confirm it works. If programming fails, first check the key fob battery. It uses a CR232 3V battery. Also, make sure there is no metal obstructing the signal. If problems persist, try disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 30 minutes for a full system reset. Remember, this DIY method is intended for owner-authorized programming. Tampering with the system can void your warranty. While DIY programming is successful in about 85% of cases, according to GM's tech support data, attempting to force the pairing can sometimes damage the system. If you're unsure or experience repeated failures, consult a professional. This is a cost-effective solution for most key fob issues, saving you an average of $70 to $150 compared to dealership services.